Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Today we're going to be doing 3 budget-friendly cocktails. So stay tuned to find out how to do it. Our first cocktail is one of my favorite budget-friendly cocktails. It's kind of one of the ones I started with when I first decided, let me start trying to figure out how to make cocktails low carb. And it wasn't really hard. The hard part is when I kind of got a little bit elevated and started making my own mixes and stuff like that. But prior to that, it's pretty simple. Here's one I call the Tipsy Astronaut. Tang and vodka. That's it. So now I've used the squirt stuff before. It's okay. I find that they also make it in a powdered water enhancer packet. I find the powder one has a little more original tang flavor that I remember when I was a kid. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. We're gonna take a bottle of water. Maybe we'll put 5 squirts and see how this comes out. We may have to add more. We'll see. Put the cap on, shake that up, and there it is. Tang. Astronaut Delight. So this cocktail is pretty easy. I don't even want to call it a cocktail. Mixed drink. Pretty easy. We're going to need shaker tins and my jigger. Man, it's been a while since I forgot something, but my jigger's on the inside the kitchen. I'll be right back. And I'm back with my jigger this time. So this recipe is not hard at all. Again, I think this cost $2.50, maybe $3.50, but it's less than right about $3. Pinnacle vodka, usually get that on sale for about $10 to $13. We're going to go with 2 ounces of our vodka. There we go. And we're going to go with 2 ounces of Tang. Now I have seen this recipe before, just one other place. There was a bar, I want to say on the East Coast somewhere. I might be wrong, but they call it the Buzzed Aldrin. Their ratios are a little bit different. I find for my taste, this works really, really well for me. So we're going to go with 2 ounces of Tang, 2 ounces of vodka. We'll put some ice in our other tin. And we're going to go ahead and give that a good shake. 10-15 seconds. And we're done. From here, we're going to go ahead and get ourselves a rocks glass. I got one chilling right here. If you don't have one chilling, I just got a little dorm fridge right here. I keep my glassware in and some of my other liquors. But that's it. You can just dump it right on the glass. And there you have it, the Tipsy Astronaut. Stuck in my mustache. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this one. We'll come back in a few minutes with another cocktail. Alright, be right back. Okay, and we're back for budget cocktail number 2. This is going to be our budget-friendly apple teeny. Actually, I call it the Jolly-Tini. This is made with Jolly Rancher sour apple water enhancers. If you're not seeing a kind of common theme of things here, it's basically a water enhancer with a spirit. And that's it. So, I mean, the Jolly Rancher water enhancer is like $1 a box, 6 packs. So you get 1 pack will do like 3 or 4 cocktails easily. So that's it. So we're going to go ahead and take 1 pack of the Jolly Rancher mix and 1 bottle of water. And like I mentioned in the other video, is if you kind of bring that water down a little bit, up to that label. For me, that's the perfect ratio of these powder mixes to the water. Anything more, if you have more water than that, to me, it's not as sweet as the mix should be, or the flavor you're expecting. Give that a good shake. All right, and then from here, we're going to go ahead and in a martini glass, actually. So let's go ahead and see how make sure that came out. That looks a little light. Nope, right there, perfect. So we're going to go ahead and get some vodka. I used the last of my Pinnacle vodka. This is, I might have enough. This is St. Roch vodka, made right here in Louisiana, down in New Orleans, by 73 Distilling. I'm going to go visit their distillery pretty soon. Kind of see they also do a really good gin called Gentilly Gin. As you can see, that's empty, the Gentilly Gin. They make a bourbon, and they make their version of an Irish whiskey. Not Irish at all, but supposedly has that same characteristics of an Irish whiskey. Make a cucumber vodka. Well, I heard that's pretty good. I'm not a fan of cucumbers. I don't like Hendrix because of that cucumber's taste. But anyway, we'll be using 2 ounces of this. So in our shaker tin, in a small tin, we're going to go with 4 ounces of the Jolly Rancher Green Apple Water Enhancer. And I've spilled that everywhere. Poured a little too fast. We're going to go with 2 ounces of our vodka. This is probably going to cap this off and use the last of it. I almost picked another bottle of this up today. And there we go. Put that down my other bottles. A little bit of ice. Cap that all together. Give it a good shake. And we're done. Get yourselves a chilled martini glass if you have one. If not, any glass will work. And we're going to go ahead and strain this into our martini glass. So, get nice pieces in it. And there you have it. The budget-friendly Jolly-Tini. Let's give this a taste. Yep, there it is. I'll be right back with budget cocktail number 3. After I finish this one. And we're back for our third and final budget-friendly cocktail. This is, again, going back to water enhancers. This is going to be using Weiler's Light Strawberry Lemonade. So who doesn't like a hard strawberry lemonade? So just like all the other recipes, we're going to add 1 pack of our water enhancer to a bottle of water. Otherwise, adding it straight to the vodka. I tried it, believe it or not, and it's a little harsh. I think by adding the water kind of gives a little bit of dilution, which makes it a little better. And there we go. Make sure I get that all shaken up good. So that's our strawberry lemonade. And just like the other ones, bottle of vodka. So we talked about so far is the Tipsy Astronaut vodka and tang, the Jolly-Tini or an Apple-Tini vodka and Jolly Rancher water enhancer. And the last one now is vodka and a strawberry lemonade. So with a bottle of vodka, you can buy a bottle of, what I was using on the Pinnacle. You can use a bottle of Pinnacle for 11 bucks. You can get a box of the Jolly Rancher for $1. You can get a bottle of the Tang squirt mix, or you can buy a box of it, usually for $1 for the Tang also. So let's just go with the box of the powder mix. So a box of the powder mix Tang, $1. Box of Jolly Rancher, $1. A box of the Weiler Strawberry Lemonade, get that for like about $1. So $3 on mixes, $11 on vodka. 14, 15 bucks depending on where you at and how much the stuff costs you. You can have yourself a good little party. All of these recipes call for 2 ounces of vodka. You can get yourself 12 2-ounce servings of vodka out of 1 bottle, plus all these mixes. So you're looking at 12 cocktails for 13 bucks, 15 bucks, depending on the cost of vodka where you live. So let's go and get this started. So we're gonna have here, shaker tin with ice. We're gonna put 4 ounces of our strawberry lemonade. My wife actually likes this with gin. I'll try it out. Try it with gin, try it with rum, try it with whatever you want to try it with. And then we're gonna go with some more vodka. 2 ounces of our Nola vodka. And you can use whatever vodka you want, like Like I said, we're trying to keep things on a budget. One bottle of Pinnacle will take care of all of this. Ice it, bang it, shake it. And we're done. Now you get yourself a chilled coupe glass, cocktail glass, Collins glass. Just get a glass. Hell, for all I care, get a solo cup. We're gonna get my favorite double old fashioned. I love this glass. It's got some character to it. It's got some etching design that I really, really like. And I found it at Goodwill. That's a great place to find some vintage glassware. Let's go ahead and try this out. Bam, there you go. Absolutely delicious, guys. Strawberry lemonade with a kick. So that's it, guys. So you've seen our 3 cocktails. We've had Weiler's Strawberry Lemonade. We've had the Jolly Rancher Green Apple. And we've had Tang. So these 3 things, plus a bottle of vodka. You don't have to get expensive with any of these, but I'd highly recommend it. Bottle of Pinnacle, you know, bottle of Deep Eddies. I think Deep Eddies is like 15, 17 bucks. Tito's is another great vodka. Tito's is what I started all this stuff with. I think Tito's is 18, 20 bucks for Tito's. I think Walmart I got the Pinnacle for either 11 or 13 bucks. So guys, really cheap, on a budget. You got yourself 3 really tasty cocktails. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. Give us a thumbs up. That's going to boost me up. It's going to let people get to see what I'm doing. If you like this stuff, let other people find us too by leaving a comment, sharing a video, and thumbs up. Hey, don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, please click subscribe, click the little bell icon, and you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. Y'all have a great night. I know I will.